Good morning, guys. Welcome to System Modeling and Simulation. My name is Dr. Luke Ngain. I will be your lecturer in this module. So you are most welcome. For those who don't know me, I am a lecturer at UTB. So I teach software related module, programming related module, and some engineering module, including this one. So I have 15 years experience in teaching, at university level, and I'm with UTB is actually close to 2 years. So it's my pleasure having you in this module. And unfortunately, we could not do that, because of the situation of COVID. But it can also be fortunate because we are going to test other ways of teaching and learning. I never thought of shooting a video and distributing it to students, but since I'm trying it, it's working very well, and student like it because they can, you know, they can access the lecturer anytime. They can access the lecture anywhere. So it's fun, and if they have not understood the concept, they can replay the video. So it's different from teaching in class, because teaching in class just happens once, and when you are done, that's over. Those who are not in class, cannot assist. But the beauty with this is that those who were not even there for one reason or another can still, participate and grasp the concept. So to me is something great. So I have been using videos in different of my modules. So those who I taught before know that, but I never recorded a video. I never gave a video, of myself. I like using videos when I teach programming. I distribute videos to students, and click after click, they can repeat what is in videos, and in the end, they can really build very nice, very beautiful apps. So this time we are going to be mixing. I'll be giving you my old videos, and then I will be referring you to other videos, and I'm sure you guys are going to like. It's going to be fun. So this time we are going to study system modeling and simulation. So simply put, what is system modeling and simulation? What is a simulation? A simulation is an imitation, a synonym of simulation is an imitation. Because sometimes you want to build something, and you don't have, you don't know exactly, what's going to happen, if it's going to be successful, it's going to be helpful, it's going to be worth it, and building it and restarting again, breaking it, and restarting another alternative might be very difficult and very expensive, very time consuming, and so on. So is why it can be sometimes useful to make a simulation. And a simulation applies in all the areas, in health, in education, in construction, in aerospace, in business. We have different, simulation. Because for us, it depends. If you are in engineering, you can build engineering related simulation. But I also teach business system simulation and modeling for those in BIT. they can build, simulation in business, So the tool is the same. We are using a software called AnyLogic. AnyLogic, AnyLogic 8.2, I think. But I have given you of AnyLogic 7. AnyLogic 7 in 3 days. Very useful book. So I've shared with you in the email. I've shared with you 2 books. So there is one which is written by myself. That one is the one we are going to go through the video by explaining, step by step, explaining the concept. Now, when it comes to practical, we are going to use the core book, the core practical book, which is AnyLogic 7 in 3 days. So you are going to use it. We're also going to use video tutorial, from AnyLogic website or from AnyLogic itself, the software, because when you install the software, it comes with multiple examples. It comes with tutorials, video tutorials, so you guys can go through them and step by step build your simulation. So I was telling you that this is a practical module, and it is important having a machine where you can build your model, because what happens is you first build a model and then you simulate your model. You get that? So you cannot do that on phone, or you can do that on paper. You can understand the concept, that's true, but to be more fun, you need to play with it, you need to try it yourself, and that will be more useful. So I'm not saying that without a computer you cannot learn. Without a computer you learn, you understand the concept, but it'll be more useful, if you can access the machine and try it by yourself. So basically that's it. We are going in the next video. I'm going to share with you how a simulation looks like, and you guys are going to see the type of simulation you are going to be building, and have an idea. So you guys are welcome to this class. I hope you are going to have a good learning experience. So I wish you a good learning experience, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.